Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying admin rights on both Facebook pages so you can act immediately. Once done, check that the pages represent the same entity, with similar names and category, because Facebook requires that match. Make sure to back up content now, download page data, and save key images and posts since merged content can change. After these checks, open the page settings and navigate to the Merge Pages tool to start the official request without delay. You now find the Merge Pages option under Settings or in Business Suite. Select it to continue. Then pick which page you want to keep and which one to merge into that primary page, because followers and check-ins will funnel to the remaining page. Make sure to review potential duplicate posts, reviews, and username conflicts. Removing or renaming the secondary page beforehand can prevent issues. Once you confirm the choice, submit the merge request and watch for Facebook's confirmation notice. You finish by waiting for Facebook to process the merge, which may be instant or take up to 48 hours, so be patient. If the merge is denied, compare names, categories, and locations. Modify the pages to match closely and reapply. If problems persist, contact Facebook support through Business Help and provide screenshots of admin status and errors. This speeds resolution. Finally, after completion, inspect the kept page to confirm followers, posts, and reviews merged as expected and correct any lingering content issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.